Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Python 3.9.6, which is the latest release at this moment. So let's get started. Before I proceed, this is not available for Windows 7 and earlier Windows. So go ahead and launch your preferred browser and visit python.org and put your cursor on downloads and then click Windows. Now here this is going to be downloads page for Microsoft Windows, and you will see there are two options here. First one, the Python 3 latest release, latest Python 2 release. So we are going to download latest release of Python 3, which is going to be 3.9.6. Click on this first link, scroll down to this files section here, files, and then you'll see there are multiple downloads. We are looking for Microsoft Windows 64-bit, which is obviously recommended. So go ahead and download 64-bit by clicking this link, or 32-bit by clicking this link. Okay, so I'm going to click this one, and this is online installer. The package is very small, so it should be downloaded momentarily. Now go ahead and locate this package if you're not using Google Chrome, and just open it by clicking once on it. Once you click on it, once this installation window appears, please make sure you check this box here which says add Python 3.9 to path. If you forget to check this box, you will have to add Python to your system's environment variable manually, so you don't want to do that. Go ahead and check this box. Kindly check this box, and then once you have checked this Python 2 path, you simply go ahead and click on install now, and this will include idle, pip, and documentation. Okay, so we will go ahead and have a look at idle and pip as well after installation. So you can see the setup is in progress. It shouldn't take long time, and this is Python 3.9.6 64-bit. There is no difference in installing Python 32-bit and 64-bit. It's just that you need to download these packages separately if you need. Okay, we are almost done here. I will also go ahead and write a script and show you how you can execute that script through your command prompt or PowerShell. So you can see it's installing pip, so you don't need to manually install pip, but possibly you need to upgrade it. So setup was successful. You can go ahead and close it. Okay, and done. Now if I go ahead and launch my command prompt and type Python space hyphen uppercase V, you'll see it says Python 3.9.6. If I say pip uppercase V, you get pip 21.2.4. okay, which is awesome. So what we need to do now, we need to go ahead and locate our idle. A lot of people use it, so go ahead and click on the start menu, all apps, and you can see idle is here. But what you want to do, if you don't see that on the very top, you simply locate the Python 3.9 folder here and open it, and it should be up in a moment. So this is idle. You can run your Python packages here, Python code here, and now if I go ahead and press enter, it should run. You can also explore your options here. Okay, so this is how you can find your idle after installing Python. If I go ahead and look at more options here under Python's folder, you'll see you got Python's module docs, which is going to launch a local host and give you all the modules that you can use with Python 3.9.6. You can see it. Alright, now here I need to stop it. I'm going to show you how you can write a script and run it on Windows 10. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and here I'm going to use my micro editor, which is terminal based editor, and going to create a file hello.py and simply write the simple hello world, print hello world. Now I can go ahead and save it, close it, and to run Python you simply have to type Python and the file name that you want to run, and you should run it. So Python 3.9.6 was downloaded and installed, and now you can see it's working on Windows 10 from my command prompt, and you can also execute it from your idle. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.